Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mouli and welcome to another video of What's in My Mail. I get a lot of PRs nowadays. I have been working with a lot of brands. I am venturing out in different contents as much as I can, as much as I have the capability. So I always share my PRs with you guys so there is no misconception. Being a micro influencer, you cannot disclose all the paid partnership in the video. Sometimes the brands don't allow you to do that, but I always try to give my honest review to you guys. Sometimes I do get products and I don't like them and I pay them back, because whenever you are taking the products and you are not working with the brand, you have to pay them or you have to return them. Instead of returning a certain product, I feel like I will repay them, because anyway I have used that product, and if I am returning back my used product to the brand, someone else will buy that and I don't want that to happen. So I'm gonna share all the PRs that I have got in this month. I'm so excited. I have got some fun stuff. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. I hope I have put a fair disclaimer in the intro, so without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that I have is the sanitary napkins from LEMME. I had done a campaign with them in the previous month. That time they did not send all of these to me. They only sent me 2 sanitary napkins packet, but after that campaign they were very happy and they were very happily sent me 16 packets. Okay, it's not even fun. I'm just showing you different variants that I have received. Like, I have received every variant in 3 packs. They are just so sweet and they have sent me all of these. Now I really like that, and I told them personally that I really liked your sanitary napkins. It feels really comfortable in the intimate area. So I have been using Whisper Stay Free for a very long time. Being a pad girl, I believe that's a little bit harsh. Okay, let's be real. Whisper sanitary napkins comes in affordable price, so I have always been gravitated towards those because I love affordable products. Let's be real, I am broke. I just sent 2 to my mom, 2 to my neighbor, one of my neighbor. She's literally my sister, so I thought that I should send 2 of them just to make them realize that Whisper and Stay Free is not the way to go nowadays. Both of them love these pads. I think this is gonna serve me for a year now. Paise bach gaye. They're eco-friendly, by the way. I generally don't say this like campaign हो गया ठीक है, तो campaign के बाद अगर मुझे अच्छा लगे तो मैं continuously use करती हूँ, लेकिन मैंने उन लोगों को personally बताया that I really liked your product, so that makes a lot of change. I don't know मेरे पास इतना gut feeling कैसे आया कि मैं उनको personally message करके बोलूँ, लेकिन अभी मैं थोड़ा सा venture out कर रही हूँ. जैसे कि मैंने बताया, वो लोग बहुत ही sweet है. Stacks of sanitary napkins मुझे भेजा है. Thank you LEMME for this. I have got a food product in my mail and I'm talking about this 5:15 PM organic chia seeds. This is something that I genuinely love, so I thought that I will incorporate in my diet routine as well.
I like to eat. Right now I'm not dieting.
But ये जो है ना, वो काफी अच्छा होता है, like breakfast के लिए. I just soak it overnight and I just drink it, and it makes you full for a very long time. I have been using one organic chia seed. वो जब खत्म हो जाएगा, I will open it and I will try it. So thank you very much for the gift. I really appreciate a good chia seed and I cannot wait to try this out. As I have mentioned that I am venturing out and I am taking the first step. I was approaching 3 to 4 brands for collaboration. Might not be paid. I just wanted to try some of the products and I saw a lot about them. So I approached 3 to 4 brands, including this brand. They have said that we are not that much big company, so we are a very small company, but if you want to try some of our products, then tell me your skin type and I will send you a curated product for you. I told them that I have oily, acne prone skin type, so send me some of the products which I can genuinely use and which can work for me. So they were very kind enough to send me these products and they were like, you don't have to do anything. If you want, then you can use this and you can give your honest review. You don't have to be biased, like just because we are sending this. We don't need anything from your side, which was very humble gesture for a micro influencer. And I'm talking about the brand SUGANDA. Now I have tried their cleansing oil, like makeup cleansing oil. That is just legit beautiful. Okay, if you haven't tried that, you need to try that one out. But they have sent me a curated product of face wash, serum and a moisturizer. Especially I love 2 of their products. One product I haven't used a lot yet, but this face wash and this moisturizer, oh my gosh, hands down. This particular face wash surprisingly removes all the oiliness without being harsh on the skin. I think this will suit sensitive skin as well because it does not have any harmful chemicals and this is fragrance free as well. This is completely transparent. It does not have any oil. It does not feel greasy after a certain period of time. It does not have fragrance. What else do you need, man? I was just so amazed. And look at the packaging. It legit looks like serum in the beginning because the consistency of the product is a little bit watery. You just need to take a little bit like so, and you can see looks like aloe vera. Definitely try this moisturizer, not just because they have sent me. I just tried this product and I cannot keep my hands off of it, which says a lot. I keep on rotating my things because I need to try out a lot of product, but ever since I have started using this product, I'm not changing my moisturizer and face wash. I have the niacinamide serum, 5% niacinamide serum. I know this is gonna perform because it has niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Chumma combination. Thank you, Sugandha, for sending me these amazing babies to me. Next up, I have this Lotus Safe Sun Matte Gel SPF 50. I haven't tried this before because Lotus has a lot of sunscreen. Yaar, kisko chhod ke kisko use karu? They were like, we want to do a campaign with you, so let me send you this product, and if you like it, then you can do the campaign with us. I was like, yeah, let me try out this product first, and I did not like 2 of their variants, which I have spoke widely on my channel, and surprisingly, I really liked it just because it is matte gel form. Again, I'm showing you. This does not become greasy or anything of that sort, which I like. This is completely gel form. I'm not applying a lot because it's 1 AM and I don't need a sunscreen too. But this is how it looks. It does not feel heavy on the skin, and it's so good in consistency as well. So I accepted their campaign and I did the campaign, of course. So if you are willing to try a good sunscreen from Lotus, which has a lot of sunscreen variants, and you are in a dilemma which one to try out, PA++, SPF 50, UVA, UVB, does not have any white cast. It ticks all the boxes. I will highly recommend this product. Thank you, Lotus, for approaching me to do this campaign. I hope we will do more campaign in the near future because I want to try a lot of products from your brand. The next product that I have received is this SAMARVIR Forest Herbs face wash. Now I haven't tried it yet. I have just received day before yesterday. This is a new brand. I have tried their scrub. Thank you very much for sending me another product from your range. I will definitely try it out and I will let you know, of course. Of course, I will let you know.
There's no way I can leave my family behind.
Thank you so much for the gift. Next, we have a bunch of products from PSafe. Now, PSafe again reached out to me for a campaign. I have got this PSafe toilet seat sanitizer spray, which is very, very important actually. Also, I got this feminine cramp relief roll on. You know how serious my period is. I think this is gonna help. Still, I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know about it, but thank you so much. I think this is much needed in my life right now. Also, I have got this intimate wipes. This is natural intimate wipes. Not sure about it. They're environmental friendly or not, I don't even know about that. I don't think this is environmental friendly, and I don't know, I'm not gonna talk about it, but we're gonna try it just because we have it. Next thing that I have got is very funny actually. So I have got this t-shirt. Also, I have done the campaign wearing this t-shirt, which is very good. You read that right. And they have also mentioned Be Lead in the backside. They have also mentioned PSafe in here. They accidentally sent me 2 same t-shirt from the same size, which is L. So I just approached the brand. They haven't replied to me yet, so that I can return it back to their warehouse because I don't think I need 2 of them. The quality of this t-shirt is very, very good. I wore them while I was doing the campaign. Also, I got this pouch. I think you can keep your menstrual cup in this pouch. They have also sent me a menstrual cup. I tried to find it today, but I could not find it. I don't know where did I keep it. Thank you, PSafe, for sending all these products. I really appreciate it and I cannot wait to try them out. Now we have a
Big baby right here.
from SMYTTEN. When I got this, I was like, what the hell is this? This is like a very big box. I have never received this big PR in my life. When I opened it for the first time, what happened? Let me show you. This is what it is becoming. Like, what? This is basically like a surprise box. There is, this is like a very big box, you guys. A lot of stuff into this box. Opening up a box is venturing into many parts. In different section, it has different kits. Just after a second, I realized that I'm hitting 20k very, very soon. So I will be sending this to one of my subscriber friends. I'm gonna send this box as my giveaway box to some one of you. It got me really excited for no apparent reason. बहुत छोटी-छोटी बातों से मैं excited हो जाती हूँ. So the first thing that I have got is a mint green tea. Basically, SMYTTEN has sent me a lot of their trials. I made a video for SMYTTEN without anything, like 1.5 years ago as well. That was just one video. I have purchased millions and millions of trial products from SMYTTEN, and then I repurchased some bigger products, then again trial products. You know how SMYTTEN works, right? This time I'm working with this brand and I'm just so happy, like so beyond happy. I'm getting the products and I'm getting to work with such brands. Anyways, my blathering is not the motive of today's video. Let's move on to the product. The next product that I have got is sunscreen face serum from Bow Skin. Next I have got this. Oh my gosh, this is my absolute favorite. And how? I'm talking about this Plum Body Loving Shower Gel. I have worked with Plum before, and when I worked with Plum, they have sent me this. I mentioned over and over on my channel how I like this product so much. I think everyone likes this, and this baby deserves the most amount of attention, you know. In India, we don't get to see those -2 degrees centigrade temperatures, so it doesn't even matter. It always feels so refreshing. So far, I love this product. I got another trial version. I previously purchased the full version after finishing off the trial version, which I have got in my PR. This time I again got it, so I'm so happy, you know, to get this product. Thank you. Essentia Extracts Peppermint Coffee Scrub for hand and foot exfoliation. Really interested in trying this product. Next up, I have got this latte hair mask from MCafe. Next I have Saint Divins Fresh Lime and Basil. I'm currently using one Saint Divins body wash actually. I love all the varieties from Saint Divins. I have purchased over and over again. I have this confidence on this product that this will perform like a bomb. The next product that I have got is Revona Naturals Upton Face Wash. Really excited to try this mini. I haven't heard about this brand. P-Link Aqua Plus Toner. It just made me realize that how many brands do we have in India, girl? 10 ml for 240 rupees? That's legit expensive. So interested on trying this product out, guys. The next product I got, aloe vera gel 99% from Inwood Organics. Next we have Be Body Wise 1% ketoconazole dandruff shampoo. Looks promising. A very tiny one. I think this will serve me for once. This is a clay gel from Dot & Key. I have tried this before. I loved it. We have a lot of underarm products as well. This is Nivea Whitening Smooth Skin. I think this is the roll-on, isn't it? Yeah, this is the roll-on. Next we have Cargo Aqua UG perfume. I was expecting it to be round for some reason. I don't know why. Just because it is 8 ml, I was expecting it to be round. But yeah, it's square. Oh, another perfume. I have to open the seal. How do you guys work with nails, bro? This just pops up so easily. So I'm just always terrified that I have to reapply the nails. That sucks. Let's see what we have in here. Why do I have a feeling this is square? Oh yeah, this is square too. Oh, it's an unisex perfume. Company name is something Brew, Wear It to Feel It. The last product actually that we have is Plum Body Loving Deodorizing Pit Cream. Oh, I have heard so much about it. I tried once in my friend's house and it felt so good. This is also from the Hawaii Ramba variant, like the body wash ones. With that, we have come to an end of this video. This box is empty. Main box is also empty. I cannot drag that box, you know, that just seems too much. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I have been blathering since a while now, just because I think I drank 1.5 liters of coffee just before filming this, because it's 2 AM and I was feeling a little bit sleepy because I woke up at 8 AM. I have linked down all the products links and my socials in the description box below in case you want to check any of these out, especially some of the products which I have given reviews specifically. If you're new to this channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and join to my family, and I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful, take care, bye.